Hello everyone, my name is CMA. Welcome back to CMA modules. Today we will be recording a video lecture on topic known as preparation of financial statements, wherein we will be recording separate video lectures for theory content of the chapter and separate video lectures for practical sums of the chapter. In this video lecture, we will be covering numerical problems. I'll start with sum number 1. Following are the ledger balances presented by Messrs. P. Sen as on 31st March 2022. Opening stock details are given, purchases, carriage inward, wages, freight, then sales, return inward, return outward, royalty on production, gas and fuel. So details related to trading account, expenses and income is given to me. Then I'm supposed to, they have also given me additional items. Stock on 31st March 2022. So market price and cost price, stock value, two different prices are given to me. Stock is valued at 10,000 and were destroyed by fire, and insurance company admitted the claim to the extent of 6,000. Goods purchased for 6,000 on 29th March 2022, but still lying in transit, not all recorded in the books. Goods taken for proprietor for his own use for rupees 3,000. So this question here they are asking us to prepare. They are asking us to prepare trading account. So what is trading account? Trading account means a person, a proprietor is dealing in sale and purchase of products. Sale and purchase. He is trading. He is purchasing, selling. Instead of trading account, we can also have manufacturing account, wherein a person is manufacturing the product. So all the expenses and income related to manufacturing account are recorded in your trading account or in your manufacturing account. Here all the expenses, all direct expenses and all direct income will be recorded here. So any indirect income and any indirect expenses will be recorded in your P&L account. Anything indirect will be recorded in your P&L account. Here in your direct expense, all the items directly related to my product, say transportation. Now transportation, freight, if freight is related, I am bringing my raw material to the factory, that is direct for me, or I'm purchasing from supplier and bringing to the factory, that is direct. But from my factory, anything is going outside to customer's place, that is indirect. So such type of questions, such type of points we will be covering in this chapter. Let us start with this sum. I hope that we have little idea about these sums because of our +2 and +1 syllabus. There we have covered the basic trading and account, trading and P&L account sums, balance sheet sums. So more or less we have similar questions here also. Little difficult questions that also we will cover here. So I'm starting with sum number 1. Let me start with the posting first and then I'll go for adjustment part. So first point which they have given me here is related to the opening stock. First point which they have given is opening stock. So I'll post my opening stock. Opening stock is 10,000. Then I'll go for my purchases. Two purchases. Purchases is 1,60,000. Then I have carriage inward. So something is coming inside. Carriage is carrier, transport. So carriage inward is 10,000. Then I have wages is 30,000. Then I have freight. Debit all expenses and losses. I have freight. Then I have buy sales, it is 3 lakh rupees. Then I have return inward means sales return. Something is coming, whatever came, whatever had gone out, that is coming inside, inward, return inward. Okay, so that is one thing, less 16,000. Then you have return outward. So that's your purchase return. You remember any one thing, whatever went out, that is coming in. So sales went out, that is coming in, so that is return inward. Okay, so return outward is 10,000. So return outward is ulta. Okay, it is opposite of return outward. You cannot remember both the things together. So I'll just total this up. 10,000 opening stock will come as it is in the outer column. My other expenses will also come as it is in outer column. So this part is done. Now sales, return inward, return outward done. Royalty on production is again your direct expense. Okay, is your direct expense. So that is 6,000. Then to gas and fuel. Gas and fuel is 2,000. Done. Then we have next stock on 31st March 2022. I am here on the adjustment part, market price or cost price. So whichever is less that we take. So I'll put a note here. Note, closing stock is valued at market price or cost price, whichever is less. So that's my first this. I'll note down my closing stock. So by closing stock, adjustments always have two effects. But since we are going only for trading account, so I'll post only one effect, that is 20,000. My closing stock is valued at market price. So I'll go for it. I'll take 1,000. Valued at 10,000 were destroyed by fire, and insurance company admitted the claim to the extent of 6,000. So I have value of stock. Okay, stock valued at 10,000. Stock valued at 10,000 destroyed by fire. Okay, stock destroyed by fire. So value of that is 10,000. So I'll add that also to my closing stock. Okay, then insurance claim, that is PNL item, so I'll show that in PNL. Right now not required. Goods purchased for 6,000 on 29th March 2022 was still lying in transit. So that is also my part of my closing stock. So goods lying in transit 6,000. That I'll add to my purchases also. Okay, add to my purchases. Stock in transit. Okay, that is 6,000. Chalo, done. Okay, 1,56,000. Then we have goods purchased done, goods taken for proprietor for his own use. So he's taking for his own use. Okay, so there's a drawings entry. He is taking for his own use. So what we can do here is we can subtract our drawings. Okay, we can goods taken by proprietor. Goods taken by proprietor. So that's my drawings. Okay, 3,000. So if I sum up everything, I'll get my purchases. Now let me go for my totaling part. Totaling part. Two lakh 19,000 and 3,20,000 here. So what I'll do, I'll find out my gross profit. My gross profit is 3,20,000 minus 2,19,000. So 1,01,000 is my profit amount which I'm getting. I missed out this entries. So I have outstanding wages amounting to 4,000. So I'll note down outstanding also. Outstanding wages. To wages only I'll add. Okay, to wages only I'll add. So outstanding wages is 4,000. Then I have freight was paid in advance. So I'll have to subtract my freight also. Okay, freight paid in advance. So two prepaid expenses prepaid freight, I'll have to subtract that from freight, or else I can write it in negative. So if I go for this, so 3,20,000 minus whatever I have noted down here. So I'll get my as 98,000. This is my gross profit. Okay. So I have my gross profit. I hope you are okay with this sum. For next question, I'll upload one more video. Thank you.